Hey kids, welcome to Bubbly Bugs! Like and subscribe.
A is for ant. B is for bee. C is for caterpillar. D is for dragonfly. E is for earwig. F is for firefly. G is for grasshopper. H is for honeybee. I is for Indian meal moth. J is for Japanese beetle. A is for katydid. L is for ladybug. M is for mosquito. N is for net-winged beetle. O is for owlfly. P is for praying mantis. Q is for queen ant. R is for rhinoceros beetle. S is for stick insect. T is for termite. U is for underwing moth. V is for velvet ant. U is for wasp. X is for Xerces blue. Y is for yellow jacket.
Z is for zebra butterfly.